Hello, everyone. This is Li Xun Mao and Wendy Zhang. We are here to bring the presentations of the security assessment of the Ninja Shop. Firstly, we would like to share our methods and experience in finding the weakness inside the website. As you can see, Ninja Shop is an online shopping website. So basically, we just first try to use this website, assuming we are the customers, such as registering an account, searching items, and buying something. Try to find whether there could be any visual or obvious problems. Later, we began to use the developer tools, checking debug console and see whether any worms or errors that browser may discover. Thirdly, we began to explore the source code ourselves, trying to find any design weakness or potential JavaScript problems. At last, we take full advantage of the security tools to dig those vulnerabilities. Of course, there is no perfect professional tools, so as humans, we will take tests by ourselves to exclude any false positives. In this project, we use the Skipfish to dig those weaknesses, and here's our results. As you can see, there are a lot of problems, and actually they are classified as three main categories according to the degree of the danger. And we list several main issues within each category, like XSS and SQL injection. Later, we will take some main issues as an example to show how severe they could be. First, let's look at the most dangerous vulnerabilities, SQL injection. This website has obvious vulnerabilities in accounts, register, and login. As you can see, when I tapped those strings, the server just exposed so many information without flit any special keywords. We actually know the table name and the column names. Let's see, we can use this weakness further. Supposing we are just register an account and the hacker knows the account of one customer. So the hacker actually don't need to know his password. He just need to type those strings, and because of the SQL commands, will comment those passwords part and will return always true. So, taking advantage of those things, the hackers actually could drop table, insert any information they want. So that's very terrible. We strongly recommend the website use prepared SQL or other secure web framework to avoid this weakness. Besides, this website also has the click-jacking problems. Looking at the source code of the index, we can find those codes trying to prevent from busting. But like we learned in the class, those codes are useless. So like in IE7, we just need to define the location, and those location will be undefined later. So actually, Ninja Shop still need to be more careful about those possible click-jacking.
Alright, thanks Mao for the introduction. Now let me talk about the other attacks. While browsing web pages, most of us expect to see only the pages offered. However, sometimes we come upon what looks like a listing of files that we might see in Windows Explorer as opposed to a web page. This is called a directory listing. It is sometimes used to offer files easily on the internet, but if unintended, it can allow an attacker to gain valuable information about your site. For example, the attacker can detect the directory /admin/images actually exists on your server by seeing the page below. So one prevent to this attack could be disable directory listing using .htaccess file, or disable the directory listing using httpd.conf file. Cross-site scripting is a vulnerability which allows an attacker to inject malicious code into user sessions with the website. We have seen this attack many times in security labs. The attack can cause information disclosure, session hijacking, redirecting users to malicious sites, cookie poisoning, and other serious damage. For example, this coupon lookup page can be inserted and execute a script by sending a text like this. The preventions against this attack are discussed a lot at the class. The main idea is to do whitelisting and sanitization to user input. Some of the websites has perfect security software and infrastructure. However, social engineering may destroy a website even if the system is secure. When we get into the admin login page and simply enter admin as username and password, we can see this. As you can see, we are logged in as admin now. The whole website is under our control. There are other vulnerabilities that may impact the security of the website. For example, it is dangerous that the cookie can be set or modified by JS. The cookie should be set as HTTP only. And also, HTTP authentication is required and asks for user's name and password. This could be dangerous because this information is sent in base64 encode and can be decrypted easily, thus will disclose the user's credentials. And there are also some validation check of user input that lies in HTML source file and a login page which actually send users credentials to HTTP, not HTTPS. All of these things could affect the security of the website. That's it for our presentation. Thanks for watching.